Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. As you can see, the crude price now trading at a level of 64.26 and there is a continuous upside we have seen. There is a pattern forming, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Chances can be high that if this pattern break upside, we can see chances of touching 65.23 we can see. And once started going above this level, we can see a level of 66.15, and if the price going above this level, a further upside we can see. Suppose if it started going above 66.81, from there it can move towards $67.72, and there a further high will be there. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances of going further upside. Crude price, there are a lot of factors are responsible when the price sees. So dollar index plays an important role in deciding the crude price movement, as well as Fed interest rate, CPI data, PPI data. All these factors, OPEC meat and all, these are affecting the price of crude. Okay, but what you see on the chart is very important, because see, now the price is on the upside. Okay, so you have to understand that how much the price is moving in a day, okay, in a week, okay, or in a month. And if you are taking your trade on the day wise basis, week by basis and monthly basis, you have to decide your risk and target as per that, even SL. Okay, then only you will be able to get a good suppose if your quantity is less, okay, and the volatility is less, then it is good. But if the volatility is high, you can reduce the quantity half, increase your target and SL by twice, so that you can your target should hit rather than hitting your SL. Okay, coming back on the crude price, what we can see, if the crude price from 2 days, it is continuously upside. If the price sustain above a level of 64.75, which is today's high, we can see it can go further upside, because there is a trend forming, so chances are high it can move towards a level of 65.34, and from there it can touch a level of $66.27. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, a further upside also we can see towards 67.26, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 60. Explain you that dollar index is creating a pattern continuously, okay, and the similar pattern is being created here. So chances are high, if the price started going below a level of $98.8, chances are high it can move below a level of 98, and from there it will fall below a level of 97.8, which is this particular level. Okay, and then once the price moving below this level, it will go towards 97.8, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 97.5. okay, suppose if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 96.9 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 96.4. okay, and then a further low we can see. But if it started sustaining this particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of 99.6. okay, that is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go towards a level of 100 point, and once started sustaining of this level, it can move towards $100.8, and chances of going towards a level of 101 to a level of 102 also we can see. Okay, so when I am telling you that the dollar index started going upside, we see the crude price comes down, and when dollar index started going down, we see the crude price goes up. Okay, but sometime what happened, they both moves in same direction. In that case, so whenever you start to trade, put your SL, so this probability can be reduced. Okay, and when you in profit, try to trail the SL, so your profit will be safe. Okay, these two things you have to do if you have to get successful in trading. Coming back on the crude price, what coming back again on the crude price, what we can see, if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move towards a level of around 64.93, and once the price sustaining of this level, it will go towards its next level, that is 65.28. from this level a bounce back can come, but if that sustain, we can see it will go towards next level, that is coming at a level of $66.38. suppose if the price sustain above 68.38, we can see it will go further upside towards 66.73. okay, and once the price moving over this level, probability of touching $67.22 is there. Okay, and once the price moving over that particular level, chance of touching 68.4 is there, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of 70.48. okay, and once the price moving over 70.48, because this gap is there at this level, we can see a further high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards a level of 63.75. Moving below this level, it can touch a level of 63.3, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $62.64. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 61.74. okay, and then the price can move towards $60.98. okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 60 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So, and this particular pattern will support bigger pattern, so chances of going towards 59.87 also we can see to a level of 59.45, and 59.45 is already being tested, so we can see a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs